Hey guys, I'm going to show you the overview of FB Survey and how it works inside of WordPress and how it works inside of Facebook. And you can easily see how useful it is for your clients or your own business to survey your Facebook members or even your own list or anyone. And it's done in a very simple way. It's very to the point and it doesn't mess around. So here's the plugin. From here you can create new surveys if you wanted to. We have this main server here. You get the stats. You can see how many people have viewed it, how many people have finished it, and how many people have entered. So how many people have opted in. From here you can edit the settings, you can edit your questions, you can view the report, you can view the leads, and you can preview it. So I'm going to show you real quick what this survey looks like inside of Facebook. So here it is inside of Facebook. You can have this any image you want in the background here. This will be shown on top of it. And what this image right here will be stretched to fit the exact size of the canvas. So make sure you note that, unless you want to design it exactly to fit this area. Anyway, so the first thing is you can put any text you want here inside of the plugin. I'm just going to put in James, and then email@gmail. Okay, so the first thing is the opt-in, and then to start the survey. So basically, you would have some sort of text up there saying, get 30% off coupon or something like that if they do the survey. So they opt in, and then when they first opt in, you see how simple this is. So how do you feel about rice? I like rice. It's okay. Then you click on continue. This graphic right here is easy to be edited if you wanted to. And then it says, what is your favorite among the following? Rice, protein, shakes. I'm just going to put grilled chicken. And if you wanted to buy this, how would you do it? So they just click on whatever option. You click on PayPal. How do you find the experience or whatever shopping? So shopping is fun. And then continue. Have you ever walked in Memphis? This is just a joke. Then here you show the code or whatever you want here, a link to anything you want. Now, if I go back here and reload the thing here, you can see I have 4 views, 2 finished, and 2 entries. I'm going to show you the reports here, so I click on View Report. And then here you can see all the different questions that we have. So here, the first question is, how do you feel about rice? You can click on this, and it'll hide and show the responses. So it's like, I like rice, it's decent, I like rice, it's okay. Just click this to show it and to hide it. You can see here's what is your favorite among the 3. You can see that one person has liked grilled chicken and one person has hated everything. If you want the next question, these are multiple choice questions. You can see one person chose PayPal, one chose cash. These are the responses for the question and answer. And then the same thing here. So someone said, yes, and I heard the song for walking in Memphis. So that's how that works. So that's how you can see how simple the actual survey is, and it's designed to be really, really simple so that you can actually get quality responses and without overwhelming your users. Anyway, so here's the setting. Let me go over this pretty quickly. So here's the edit settings. At the top here, you have the URL for your actual survey, which you'll need to be put inside of Facebook. So here's your Facebook app. All you need to do is put in the URL on your app domain, so like whatever it is, .com, and then put in for the page tab your page URL, which is given to you here. Put it here, and then also put in a secure version. If you have a secure version, you can just put in .s right there on or SL on your domain. If you don't, you can use something like Social Survey, and then also put it on a website with Facebook login and put it there too. And then hit Save Changes, and you're good to go. Then you have to add that to a page, which will be done in another tutorial. Anyway, so you have that URL. You put in an image here that will be as a background. You can upload one if you want. Here's the survey intro copy. Put anything you want here. Here's the text for the button, and here's the copy that is shown after they complete the survey. Down here is you can put in an opt-in code, and then so that when someone opts in, they can opt into your Aweber at the same time. So that's basically the main settings. And then the next settings is the questions. So basically there's a maximum of 5 questions, but you don't have to have all 5 questions. You can have like 3 questions, 1 question, how many questions you want, up to 5. The reason why there's 5 is just because it makes it easier for people to go through it and give you honest answers, because if there's too many questions, then they won't give you honest answers, and there's almost no point in even doing the survey if they're just lying to you. So, but you can edit each question up at the top here. So it's edit question 1, edit question 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I go to it, you can see here that there's 2 types of questions. So you can either have a question and answer style question. Let's say, so you basically ask your question here, what is your question? Or you can have a multiple choice style question. You put in what you're asking here, and then the 4 different options that they can choose, and then you do that for each question, and then you hit save and you're done. The next one is the reports, as I just showed you. You can view the leads. So here you can see that there's the name, the email address, the when they signed up, and you can also export that to a CSV file. And you can preview it. So here's the same image, but now it's full screen. So you can send, if you wanted to, just send this URL to your list and have them do the same thing here. So I'm just going to put in another name, email, and then start survey. So how do you feel about rice? I hate rice. I like rice. I pay with credit card. I don't like shopping. And then there. As you can see, it works both great inside of Facebook and also outside of Facebook. But you'd probably want to take this URL right here, which is not very pretty, and make it pretty by using some sort of shortener or something like that. But other than that, that is FB Survey, and it's a great plugin for yourself and your own business doing surveys for your customers on Facebook or outside of Facebook. And it's also great for doing contests and surveys and stuff like that for your offline clients.